Hello, great people. Today is another day. We are going to look at how to use relative and absolute cell referencing. First, let's move on to our Excel sheet. Okay, assuming I want to add all these values. I want to add the values in January. PC sale, PC repairs, PC support. I want to add all this here. What you need to do is you press equal, then this plus B4 plus B5. You press equal, it will add all. Now if you check this, you see that I have not added any dollar there. This is relative referencing. And this relative referencing, it makes the cell, it copies the formula to another cell or to a relative cell. For instance, if I try to copy this to this cell, it will automatically write the formula relative to this. If you check, you see that the formula at this side was B3 plus B4 plus B5. So it's add all of them here. Now, because I didn't put any dollar sign there, and I copied it to this side, it has automatically added this side. Alright, it has automatically added this side. I'm going to do the same. You see that in this formula there was no dollar in front of C or C or C. Is that okay? So it's a relative referencing. I'm going to move it to this side. You see that it has automatically copied the formula relative to this. So it has automatically added this side without you typing it there. Okay. Now let me show you absolute referencing. We are going to use this. Let me delete this. Okay. Now, with absolute referencing, okay, you always start with equal sign. We want to add the total, this one, that is B6. We want to multiply B6 by this to help us to get the VAT, because we want to multiply the total by the VAT percentage to give us the VAT. So how do we do that? It's going to be that, which is B6 times G9. But because I want to drag it to copy it to the nail cell, and I want the cell, or I want the formula to stay at this side. I want the formula to stay here without moving. What I need to do is to insert a dollar sign here in front of G. It means you must remain at G. Are we together? You must what? Remain at what? G. Don't move to H or don't move to F. Don't move to any place. You can be at where? G alone. If you are in G alone, it means you can move up and down. Alright. I place it at G because I'm moving horizontally. so it's not going to affect my formula. So if I check this, if I move to this side, let's check the referencing, it's still at G9 and the formula is there. The formula is copied to the next cell, but this should have moved to this side, but I did not move. Why? Because I placed this dollar there in front of G. Okay, I'm going to do another one. You see, I've copied the formula to this, like it should have moved to this side, but it did not move. Why? It's because there is a dollar sign here. And this one is what? Absolute value or absolute referencing. Okay. The next question, we are going to deal with it in the next video. Bye.